Hi, in this tutorial, we'll learn how to get started with Goodcheck. Let's start by looking at our pull request. Here, our issue might happen over and over again, so Goodcheck would be great for this situation. Now, we updated Cider to analyze Goodcheck by default, but older repositories with Cider installed will need to enable it. So let's go to Cider. Click on Settings, scroll down and enable Goodcheck. This saves it automatically. This pull request had checks done to it previously, so let's create a Goodcheck configuration file. We can refer to the Goodcheck documentation for help. We want to create a goodcheck.yaml file, so let's copy the name. Paste it into the name of the file. We can also use the example configuration as a template and paste it into our new file. The ID could be anything you like. We recommend using an ID that relates to your rule for easy reference. Now let's go back to the pull request and get some information for the rule. We can copy the information for our pattern. We can copy the link for our message. The ID, pattern, and message is required. The rest are optional. Justifications are reasons for exceptions. Glob lets you specify where and what kind of file to check. Pass and fail provide a test to make sure the pattern will perform as expected. Once that's all done and everything checks out, we can scroll down and commit new file. Cider will analyze the open pull request. It might need some time to refresh. Once it's done, Goodcheck has found matches for our rule. That's all for getting started with Goodcheck. If you'd like to know more, please go to help.cider.review. Thank you for watching.